Today's unboxing is the Tangle Teezer detangling hairbrush in this sort of a medium blue for straight and curly hair, it says on the box. Detangling hairbrush. So Tangle Teezer is a well-known brand, and I think it came up with this solution originally. So it's for detangling longer hair, and you've got these longer bristles and these shorter bristles, and that's how it does it. Less breakage for smooth, healthy looking hair. Two-tiered tangle teeth while reducing hair breakage. It's plant-based as well, so sustainable, made from 85% sustainable materials, of which they are something to do with beans, I think. Ideal for wet and dry hair, and sort of palm-friendly shapes. This does actually come in a brush form as well. Recycled packaging, it looks like, on the bottom as well. So, nice product. Brand leader. Let's get it open and have a look. So nice glossy finish on the top, and then on the bottom it's sort of a matter or rubberized, and then we've got this this triangle pattern on this side as well. This is the bit that's of interest really, is the teeth. Sort of a medium bristle, quite thin as well, you can see down the edge. I'm guessing it's right-handed because it's shaped in that way. If you want to use it in your left hand, actually it would work equally as well on there. Who knows? Doesn't really matter. Interesting product. Let's see whether it works. Quick final note, I paid about $17 for this, and then afterwards I looked on Amazon and it seems to be going for the Elite version, which is this in black, for about $9 or $10. So do shop around. You will pay a premium for a premium brand, but you might be able to get a better deal online somewhere. So I've tried this out really quickly, and I've got to say it's actually much better than expected. I thought it'd be very good, but it's brilliant. It's really good. So smooth in the hair. I haven't got particularly long hair. It's probably good, even good to use on a long-haired pet, I would assume, like a long-haired dog maybe. It's great. I give it a 10 out of 10. If I could give it more, I would. This design around the edge, I don't think it's necessary. I guess it adds something, but I'm not a massive fan of that design. It's really about these tangles, these bristles. They really do cut through the hair really well. So haven't tried it on someone with longer hair. It does do the job, and it does it really well. Look at these bristles. That's what it's all about. A little bit of flex and this double height. If you catch it at this angle, we can see, there we go, the double heights. There we go. 10 out of 10, absolutely recommended buy. Brilliant product.